you think, man?
Man, I love each and every one of them. I want one so bad. I'm actually speechless. That's the reason why I don't know what to say right now.
Video itself. So if there's anyone else, just video. Exactly. Without comments. No. We can stick that. If you want that, tallying up the right amount of views. And then compare that to the Huracan.
There's more room in here than there is in the Acura SX though.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I feel just fine. Now, when this with this top, because that one's kind of manual, it's a target top. You just push the button for this one, correct?
No, you pull it. Actually, it disconnects, and then there are latches in the trunk.
So this
put
is
in.
kind of
Two panels.
well?
Yeah, they're carbon fiber tops.
Okay.
About 10 pounds each.
Okay.
Come off actually pretty easily. It's a three-step thing. Click, 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 done. You know. So yeah, the Huracan Spiders, you know, they have an automatic roof, but this one is manual.
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're looking for scissor doors, this is your car.
Yeah, they actually built it just you know, would you be interested in any video on that?
Yeah. All right. So that is one cool feature. Yeah, that is nice. Of course.
Did the seat go back with it?
It does. It should. Yeah, I think. I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah, it does. But now some models have the option to put it up and down.
Up and down.
That's an upgrade. Yeah. This is a more basic version of the Huracan here.
Yeah, I think you are right about the space. I didn't try to move
It's a smaller car, but the seat's more comfortable.
Yeah.
The other difference, obviously, is going to be in the feel of the drive. I mean, you've got a double clutch on this one. It's a lot smoother, and they intentionally keep a single clutch in the Aventador.
Oh, that's a single clutch.
Single clutch, yeah, and you know you're going to have more of that kind of jerky feeling and stuff.
You're really trying now to get me into
it's performance. No, it's performance. It's awesome because you feel the raw power of that V12.
Okay.
Some people see it as a negative because it's just jerkier. This is a little more. This is a different suspension too. It's a double wishbone.
Okay.
It's going to be a lot softer. They're both dynamic suspensions, so depending on your drive mode, they're going to stiffen or loosen up a bit, depending on what you want. But all performance oriented. Same thing with the Aventador, push rod, so it's lighter. You're going to get. It's not going to impede the airflow underneath the car. Correct. It's designed to get you, lighter car, faster speed, and they just couldn't fit it in because it's so low. A bigger suspension, so it's pretty fierce to stop. So.
Are both of these all-wheel drive?
This one right here is 2. It's a rear wheel. Yeah, the LP 580s are rear wheel drive 2. Okay. The Aventador is yes.
Okay.
And the if you get an LP 610, it'll be 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
Sure.
As far as like leasing options, do you guys have like? I prefer to buy because I feel like
I agree. Yeah.
Modifications to it if I want to.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Leasing I'm not against, but I know with leasing you have some type of restrictions on how you drive and how long. Things like that.
Well, you're not gonna want to go traffic or something. Honestly, I wouldn't want to do that with the car I own as well. Your warranty's going to do that.
Yeah, that is true.
That's the one thing.
Suppose you could. Well, I guess in the past I bought truck insurance for that, but I don't know what it would be like for owning it.
We'd have to look at it.
Yeah. Because I like to take advantage of what I bought. I like to show
understand that.
I like to go to a track every once in a while.
Sure.
Because I took it with me plenty of times. I just enjoy it.
Well, it does affect your resale. People will ask. That's the only thing. Has it been tracked? They ask a lot less on these cars. People, when we have Porsches in, that's the first thing they ask. Right, because it's been tracked, what's the history? Oh, the brakes,
that's
got the carbon brakes. Is it to be tracked? No.
That's what it's usually for, though. But for me, this is legit a dream car. So I wouldn't look to actually sell it. I would sell it.
Now hold on to it. Yeah, then you do what you want with it. That's But I mean, in general, you're feeling what you get in the Huracan. Now, if you get a Performante or so, you can get a comfort seat in the Performante as well. But it also has the racing seat option to be lighter. You know, it's stiffer. It's not as comfortable.
Okay.
But it's the Alcantara on that is also an option. You can have full Alcantara if you want, rather than the leather. Personally, I prefer the leather because it's just I like it better. But some people like that grippy feel.
Right.
You know, in the Performante, which is lighter, more horsepower, and whatnot. It's going to keep you in the seat a little better too to get that. But
And this is a V10.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
But I mean, it's a light car. It's marginally slower than the before. Marginally,
Really?
like 0.3 seconds or something.
You can't really tell the difference. Most average people don't really tell the difference in anything.
Absolutely not. I mean, and again, it's not. They're both really cool cars. Aventador is iconic because it's the biggest thing they're making, and the scissor doors, and you're.
That's what I'm used to.
But this is, again, on the other hand, would be easier to park. It's smaller. It's not a little bit smaller. It's not like it's crazy. I mean, you can see the difference right here. When they're both back up to the same. Oh, not quite. And this one's in the middle or down the front, the same front line on that one, maybe. So it's a little bit,
it's a
maybe a foot longer, and it's a little narrower, obviously. But yeah. So, but and again, like I said, I
This is my first time seeing a Huracan in person. I never seen I've seen Aventos in person, never seen a Huracan in person, so I couldn't tell the difference between the sizes.
Gotcha.
I just assumed that they look smaller in person
and they are. I mean, they are a touch smaller, but at the same time, they're.
And a Huracan replaced the Laura.
That's right. Yeah. So there's 2012 Gallardo behind you, and
V10, correct?
yes. Sorry.
Very good. Very good.
It's got the transparent engine on it. The spiders do not. This is a 10. Again, it's going out of Soli yesterday. But this has got balloon weight.
Just bought one of these.
Yeah.
Without the drop top, yeah.
Okay.
Jason just literally bought
They're
one.
incredibly popular. I shipped that one out yesterday. I sold 13 before that one came in, that one came in. People are calling about them all the time. Like I get several calls a day from each of these. It still is actually the most popular model they ever made. They made 14,022. Now the Huracan will eclipse that.
Okay.
Right now they're just about 12,000. Actually, we got some in yesterday, and the serial number was like 11,900 something. So they're probably right over 12. Yeah, we're just about at it, and just building that for a couple of years. So it's definitely going to be the most popular.
How much did this one sell for?
This one we were asking 129.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't think, and it's actually the same. This thing had a ton. The original sticker was 266. So it had everything in it. Pearl effect paint. That's a $15,000 upgrade.
Really?
Yeah, and a lot of other things on it that I mean, you can see the spec sheet. It's got everything. More than anything than that 2012 one. But that's also a great car. The thing is, a lot of people like those because they're entry level. The guy who bought this, he's a doctor. He's never had an exotic car, and he doesn't want to just start with the big one. And thinking that if he likes it, he'll trade up to a Huracan.
He has kids?
I don't know. He's on Florida.
I thought you said he had kids.
No. He hasn't had an exotic car yet.
Oh, okay.
So he's getting into the market.
Okay.
And it's a perfect car for something like that.
I agree.
And that's what any of the other guys. So the other Gallardo too. He hasn't had a Lamborghini yet.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not as big of an investment as going right to a Huracan or definitely an Aventador. But now you've got other cars. It's not. And some people walk in and they just want to buy first the other car they go for an Aventador.
I don't know anything
Go
about
big, go home.
I just for me, man, I don't know. Growing up, this is all I saw was Aventos, and you saw the doors for it, and that's all I'm used to.
It is like since the Countach. I mean, that was
Correct.
That was
When
revolutionary.
Rocky Balboa was driving the Countach, like you just
then came to Diablo, and
Then
I
you-
mean, it's the same thing. I mean, every movie from Dumb and Dumber through everything else, it's got, you know.
that's true.
Doors going up.
And I don't. And the problem is, I think I was talking about with my friends. If I got a Huracan, which they are McLaren guys, if I got a Huracan, I would feel like I copped out on my dream car. So that's what keeps bothering me about.
Well, you can always start there and then go up if you didn't want to go all the way to the finish floor. But again, like you said, if you can, why not? I mean, what kind of? I mean, if you build one, you're looking at about a 6-month lead time. And once you get the order in, this is where the factory's at.
Okay.
So you know, if you're looking for something sooner, obviously anything we got on the lot's going to be easier.
And this is all you guys have? Or you'll have like
This is all we got in here right now for sale. Yeah, absolutely. Now we could source them from other places.
Okay.
You know, if there's a certain spec you're looking for, and we're trying to get close. It's hard to get exactly.
Correct.
I had a guy up in Virginia now wanting a Huracan.
Okay.
He wants it. It's got to be used either 17 or 18 under 5,000 miles.
Okay.
But all Alcantara interior, transparent engine bonnet, and you know this and this and this and this and this. And it's nice, but they don't make these. You know, like even Mercedes-Benz cranks out, you know, models pretty quickly, and
Correct.
you can get like however many of that.
Correct.
You know, whatever. You know, Lamborghinis are pretty neat. So
That's true.
You
I
can
agree.
come close. So sometimes you have to be. I'd say most often you have to be willing to forfeit maybe one thing that would be.
That's understandable.
You know, so yeah, and if you're looking to wrap a car, then you're going to have more options on the color right away.
Correct.
The only thing that may come into play is the calipers. You know, they're going to play nicely with the color you're looking to wrap. You know,
I wrapped that one chrome.
okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, I mean, that's pretty neutral colors. You know, so if you're looking to get the grays or any of the shades, then probably wouldn't be as big of a deal. But you know, they did to replace. I know on the Huracan, a guy wanted that white one. He sat in there. He didn't like the green, and I mean, he wanted to replace him with red, and that's $5,000. So you know, you can do it. Now, you can also have it painted. But I mean, our recommendation would be go OEM, just because you know if anything ever happened to the brakes, you would be covered by the warranty.
Right.
If you change, if you not right. Chance of that happening, I'd say, are slim to no. But again, it's just a risk that some people don't want to.
I agree.
You know, take.
I agree.
But, so yeah, man. I mean, when are you looking at getting into one? What do you think?
I've been looking and thinking about it for at least a while now.
Yeah.
I'm definitely 2020, definitely considering this year.
Yeah.
And this is my very first time looking, because we don't have a real dealership in my area.
No, we're the closest to us here is Atlanta or DC right now. So
Correct.
Yeah, especially for new.
And so, how much is the red one?
The red one. Let's have a look. I mean, let me see the sticker. I have to. Hold on, I can find it right here.
I would love it.
Yeah, because the stickers, if the prices change, we don't usually change the sticker because everything else is the same. It's just not worth. Let's see if I'm still logged in here. So that all nice stuff. Yeah, she was here with Charlotte for a podcast, so she came over to watch. But kind of surprised to know she'd be here. And see the little video out front. Let me see when she gets that up. Let me see here. All right. You guys got to play next to me. Yeah. It's here. I can sign it as well.
Really?
So, Roadster is here. Okay.
2019.
472. I have a feeling it's probably still there. I'm just tied up right now. I can't find it. But you know, we're pretty motivated to get them moving. So let's see what we can do for you.
No, that's I actually like the black one better. I was just curious between. I know
and then the
convertible is more.
The Roadster. That's a $30,000 upgrade. You know, to have a Roadster. Yeah. So that's always more. So yeah, I mean.
Because I know the $399 on the Roadster.
Yes. That's right. $399 is $470. No, but it's new.
Okay.
That's a 19, and that's a 16. Yeah. So there's. But
what is the difference between the two?
Well, again, 40 extra horsepower, and there's a couple different design differences. I think if you're looking at the diffuser. Well, it's got the spoiler already in the back. Okay. It's actually
the spoiler?
No. Okay. Oh yeah, yes it is. Of course, yes. Sorry. Yeah, the exhaust is a little different. Different shape of the exhaust. 3 out of 4. It's just no, they always play around with that in the different diffusers just because of the drag. Like on the SVJ, it's got 2 exhausts right here.
Okay.
You know, rather than the SV before it had the 4. You know, okay. At the bottom, a little bit of diffuser. So they, they're always tinkering. And now with ALA though, in the SVJ, that's a whole different.
Yeah, it is. I agree.
And again, if you look at the front, see the diffusers are a little bit different too, as well as the air intakes. I mean, from the top, you're not going to notice much of a difference. There's a bit of a difference in the air intakes as well. But
what are the warranty?
Because standard is 3-year. Okay. That comes with it.
That is
3-year CPO. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Everything but wearables. And then you have the option to extend it to 4 or 5.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you're going to get used, we can CPO a car as long as it's 7 years or under.
Okay.
And like we had that 12 right there. We had it. We bought the 1-year CPO on it. The day that the last day was eligible. Like the actual last.
Wow. Okay.
So that's actually an upgrade for anyone looking at one.
Okay.
I said, hey, that's $5,000 right there.
Yeah. Correct.
So warranty's pretty. They got a good warranty. It's underrated.
Man, I don't know if most people don't drive them enough to really have those issues, but I'm not that guy.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not that guy.
You want to enjoy the car?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm not that guy. They won't sit in the garage door for me.
Yeah.
So.
That's good. Well, you're not that far away. You're in Raleigh, so it's
yeah.
And if you need to drive it, that's not gonna kill you on the mileage. It's not too bad. I mean, some people, like even in Myrtle Beach, they'll shut the car up for whatnot. But
Yeah,
for my car.
Exactly.
Just take it out.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. So what color would you wrap it?
So that's black chrome. I think I would go with.
It's pretty slick, man.
And I have black wheels on. I just took them off.
Okay.
Times I'm replacing back with black wheels.
Yeah.
Here in a couple of weeks.
Nice.
That I don't know yet because I've been trying to contemplate on what I would if I would go back to a chrome, different color chrome, or if I would go to a solid color.
Yeah.
I would ride around with this for a little bit.
Yeah.
But I'm not really a big fan of black. I think black is just the most solid neutral color you can get in right now.
It is neutral. Yeah. The gray ones actually do pretty well too. The Grigio. It's a pretty good neutral too if you get a car. Often because the calipers will come neutral.
Okay.
But again, that can change. From one car to the next.
Correct.
Whatever the guy who bought it from you going used, you wouldn't expect that.
That's true. So this one here, the one in the back, 2016. I think it says like 500 some miles on it.
It could be. Yeah, I think it is pretty low. Yeah.
Who do you know who owned it before?
Our manager knows who owns it. Yes.
Okay.
I know. I'm personally I'm not sure.
Okay.
I've only been here 4 weeks, so
okay.
I can find out.
Do you know if he tracked it?
No, I don't think they have.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's and again, it's on consignment, so we know we can find all that out.
Okay.
Yeah. No problem, but it's in good shape. We're not going to consign something that we wouldn't be able to sell or something that we weren't proud of. So hey, it's worth putting in show.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so it's clean, that's for sure. I'm not sure what the story is on the seller why. Often people do it because they want the SVJ or something else or they this. The stories vary, but
Can I get all the information you guys have?
Of course. On the back, absolutely, yeah. It is, here, why don't you just come to my office here real quick, I'll get.
Now y'all know I did not buy a Lamborghini. I can't even afford an oil change on it. Who said you couldn't dream? You dream big. I don't know. Dream big, gotta have big checks.